Have you ever wondered if you can fill your tires with something other than air? I know that may sound crazy, but there is something besides air that can be used.
Ma, I think you mean helium.
No, Grant. Actually, nitrogen. Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. Not all service centers provide the option of nitrogen in tires, us included. Filling your tires with nitrogen usually comes with a cost, whereas air may not. For those of you who use nitrogen but find yourself stuck with low tire pressure, you can mix air with the nitrogen-filled tires, but it isn't as beneficial. Now, the benefits of nitrogen in your tires are: 1, tire pressure is usually more stable over time, especially in extreme temperature changes, as if in race car driving when the tires heat up quickly. Now, I know we aren't all race car drivers, but sometimes it feels fun to drive like one. Nitrogen helps limit the tire pressure changes even in small variations, number 2, where it will affect the handling of the vehicle. And number 3, nitrogen in tires have a small amount with fuel economy over time, especially because your tires remain more constant in pressure. Remember, having nitrogen in tires should never stop you from regularly checking your tire pressure, especially before a long trip. Also, nitrogen doesn't stop leaks or punctures in tires. Remember, all gases expand when heated and contract when cooled. Therefore, check your tire pressure regularly. Like us on Facebook, and if you have nitrogen in your tires, let us know how you feel about that. Share it with others. Thank you for watching. And remember, when you come in next time for your service, mention Kneble with a K and get 10% off for your labor.